Hey there, this is Ben, and today I'm going to be teaching you about how to install PyCharm onto your Windows machine. I'm going to first start out by Googling download PyCharm, and we can open up the jetbrains.com website. And most of you should be downloading the Community Edition. It's free, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Once you download this, it's going to be an exe, which we can go ahead and launch. It brings up the wizard right here, and we can click Next. Choose the place where you want to go ahead and install the program. And then I'm going to go ahead and check all of these boxes because I'm a 64-bit machine. This is really helpful for your root. And then this lets you right click on a Py document and then start a project like that. And this saves things as a Python file, which is also helpful. So we want all of those to be checked. And then you want to click Next, and we can go ahead and put that right there. Now that PyCharm has finished installing, you're going to need to reboot your machine. Now that I've restarted, I can go ahead and run this new icon, which is shown up on my desktop, and it opens up with a privacy policy. You can go ahead and read this and then continue. And once it does that, it's going to ask you if you want to send anonymous data. I'm going to say I don't want to send any because I want my machine to run faster. But if you want to help the developers, then you should go ahead and send your statistics to them. And once you've done that, your PyCharm will open up and you've successfully installed PyCharm on your desktop. Feel free to check out my other videos where I'm going to be teaching you all about the basics of Python.